Hello guys, yeah, today we're gonna go ahead and find the problem of this juice maker. It was working but suddenly stopped to work, and there is no brand name, anything, but it was good machine. It was helping me to drink the fresh juice. So it's not working as I just plugged it again. As you see that there's a switch here. Here is right there. See, as you see, it's not working. So I don't know if you guys have any knowledge that this juice maker works good. Let me know. I mean, works good. I'm saying, if you have any you guys have any problem, and you find out the solution, and I would like to know that solution. It's not working, as you see, nothing at all. Yeah, I'm afraid to open it, but I'm gonna first wait till you guys answer me. If you guys have any idea, any solution, please let me know, and I can go ahead and solve this problem. But if you guys not gonna answer me anything, I'm gonna start to open the inside and see what I can do. Yeah, this is as I said, no brand name, but it was good machine. You just put the whole apple and just put it inside and go ahead and make a juice. So, alright guys, hopefully somebody can help me, and thank you. We can help each other and transfer the knowledge to each other and encouraging each other that if you have a problem, yeah, I might solve it. Maybe I have a problem, you can help me to solve that problem. No, I have a problem. That's kind of a problem that I am telling you. All right, guys. See you soon with the another video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. By the way, thanks. Bye bye.